So you're in the market for a fifth wheel that will provide the necessities of camping plus some creature comforts of home? Check out the Forest River Cedar Creek. Forest River is known to have a wide breadth of fifth wheel lineups, but there's something truly special about the Cedar Creek. Before we highlight some select Cedar Creek floor plans, let's first check out some features you're sure to love. For the Cedar Creek interior, let's talk about everyone's favorite room, the kitchen. You'll find a gorgeous layout with solid surface countertops and a stainless steel undermount sink, complete with a high-rise swivel faucet with a pull-out sprayer. For appliances, you get a freestanding gas range, large stainless steel microwave oven, and the amazingly large 20 cubic foot stainless steel residential fridge with ice maker and dedicated 1000-watt inverter. The kitchen also has a variable speed fan, which helps to circulate the air and keep you cool thanks to the 2 high-performance ducted ACs with dual zone control and cold air return. Is there more in the kitchen? Of course! You'll get full extension drawer guides with self-closing drawers, and some have an optional dishwasher you can drop into the island. If you do, you'll be happy to know the water heater is a 12-gallon gas-electric one. Rolling into the living area, you'll find comfort all around, including Congolium flooring in a majority of the area, a freestanding table with center leaf and 4 chairs, luxury hide-to-bed sofa, large full-view windows, plus a central vacuum system. Every Cedar Creek has a 36-inch fireplace in the entertainment center, and across from it, power theater seats with USB charging ports. Regarding entertainment, the Cedar Creek has it all over the place. Every Cedar Creek has a Bluetooth-capable DVD multimedia center with a pair of waterproof exterior speakers, a 50-inch flat-screen TV with swing arm, plus you'll get reception via the King Wi-Fi router and range extender, as well as the 2 exterior satellite and cable hookups to the living room area and bedroom, as the bedroom has a 32-inch TV as well. What else is in the bedroom? Plenty. The master bedroom has everything you want in an RV bedroom and more. The majority of Cedar Creek models come with a king bed and a slide-out with storage underneath the bed. The dresser has a flip-up top for additional storage, and there's a ton of wardrobe space that includes shelving and washer-dryer prep with the option to have the washer and dryer installed. The bed will also have outlets and USB ports on both sides. The Cedar Creek bathroom will make you feel right at home. You'll get either dual vanity sinks or a single oversized sink. The shower stall is 48 by 30 inches and includes a large seat and sliding glass doors. The shower also has a skylight plus an upgraded shower head. There's also a porcelain toilet, linen storage, and LED night lights. One last note before we head to the Cedar Creek exterior. Cedar Creek models come with total unit control with a Vega Touch panel and Firefly dimmer switches that you can run all from your smartphone. So for the Cedar Creek exterior, you'll find amenities that will make your campground life relaxing and easy. Once you park your Cedar Creek, you can get it stable with the automatic 6-point hydraulic leveling system. You'll find everything under your control at the full docking station with multi-function tank levers, outside shower, black tank flush, and battery disconnect. As for storage, there's plenty in the heated storage compartment with diamond tread flooring. Storage compartments come with convenient slam latch baggage doors with magnetic catches too. You'll find getting in and out of your Cedar Creek super easy with the More Ride Easy steps. And beside the steps is an animal leash latch to help keep your dog secure. All of your water tanks are protected from freezing by 12-volt heating pads, and your 50-amp power cord is on a reel. As far as power, every Cedar Creek comes with a 190-watt solar panel with an optional second one. You can also opt to install a generator prep or the generator too. Before we go through floor plans, you'll want to know that Cedar Creeks are built to last camping season after camping season. You'll find an all-aluminum superstructure and Siliprene bonded sidewalls that have outstanding resistance to UV, heat, cold, the elements, and more. The exterior is a high-gloss gel coat, including the front cap. Underneath, you'll get ribbed, removable underbelly panels. Up top, a fully walkable roof made with Tough Flex PVC vinyl. Now, before we check out some Cedar Creek floor plans, take note that Cedar Creek fifth wheels are big and will need a large truck to move them about the country. They'll average about 13,500 pounds unloaded and measure out to an average of 41 feet or so. So again, they're pretty large. The first floor plan up is the 360 RL. Opposing slide-outs make a ton of room in the living area with its power theater seats, fireplace, and kitchen island. The bathroom has dual vanity sinks, and the master bedroom is huge and contains a dresser as well as a front cap that's all closet, complete with shelves and washer-dryer prep. The camp couple-loving 360 RL can sleep up to 4. The 371 FL can sleep up to 6, as it has a front living area with a pair of trifold sofas. The front cap has a massive entertainment center. Opposing slide-outs in the kitchen make for a ton of room, plus there's a half bath. In the back, you'll find a huge bathroom with dual vanity sinks and a closet with washer and dryer prep. Up next, we have a Cedar Creek bunkhouse, the 8-sleeping 377BH. It's rear living in the back with opposing slide-outs. In the middle sits a private room with a trifold sofa and a massive loft above it. Up front, the massive bedroom has a huge wardrobe closet complete with shelves and washer-dryer prep. Now I want to take you through a unique fifth wheel, the Cedar Creek 385TH. This model acts like a typical front living floor plan with its opposing slide-outs, trifold sofas, and entertainment center in the cap, but the kitchen has opposing slide-outs too. But where it really stands out is in the back, with a 63-inch by 110-inch garage space located under the queen bed. It's a perfect size for a golf cart or a couple motorcycles. The 385TH can sleep up to 6. And that's it for the amazing Forest River Cedar Creek. As you have seen, a Cedar Creek gives you everything you want to enjoy campgrounds and nature across this beautiful country. We're sure you'll find the Cedar Creek right for you and your camp-loving family.